All right, awesome. So I spent 7 minutes talking into this screen with no sound. I'm going to try to go a little bit faster this time. So this is a trade idea for TWLO, TWLO stocks at 413. We looked at price of an at the money straddle, which was about 30, 31, maybe 32. So what I did was selling a call spread, which is 5 wide at around delta 35. So 430 happens to be a 36 delta call. So selling a 430 call, buying a 435 call. This call spread is going for about $1.50, which leaves me with about $3.50 worth of risk to the upside. To cover this risk, I am looking to sell 2 of the 370 puts. They're currently going for about $1.64, $1.65 maybe. Should be enough to cover almost all of the upside risk. And there should be no risk to the upside, with only risk to the downside. And my downside break even is at about 368 half or 367 half. And looking at a chart, 367 half actually aligns with a rising 50-day moving average. And as we can see in the past, actually since November, the price has not really spent too much time underneath that 50-day moving average. So worst case, if I get put stock at 368, my cost basis will be right around 50-day moving average. And if this moving average is going to act as support as it did back in January and in November, it's not a terrible trade altogether. If you don't want to own stock, I would not hold through expiration if the stock goes down tomorrow after earnings or on Friday and expires underneath 370. Based on current implied volatility, there are about, let's call it a 95% implied probability that the price is going to be somewhere north of 367 half by Friday close. So that's the idea. Selling a 5 wide out of the money call spread, and to cover upside risk, selling 2 of the 370s. This is all 2 days to expiration, expiring this week on Friday. If you have never sold naked puts, this is not the time to test this out, so stay away. If you know how this works, I think this is a decent bet. Total credit for this trade is $550. Maybe we can get in for about a 5.25. And if we get a decent volatility crush, maybe getting out tomorrow, assuming that the price is going to be somewhere between 370 and 430, getting out for half of what we're collecting on entry is a good exit as well. Very similar to what we did yesterday with RNG. So that's the idea. I'm going to try